Vegan Weight Loss Meal Plan on a Budget. Lose weight the right way and save money at the same time with this budget-friendly vegan meal plan. With this 1,200-calorie meal plan, you're on track to lose a healthy 1 to 2 pounds per week without feeling like you're breaking the bank on specialty diet foods. The meals and snacks in this plan feature healthy plant-based whole foods that are high in protein and fiber, like beans, edamame and tofu, to help you feel satisfied while eating fewer calories. By simply eating vegan, you're saving money, as meat and other animal products tend to be the most expensive part of meals. We also tailored this plan to cut costs by strategically using ingredients and leftovers in different ways throughout the week to keep the per serving cost for the whole week at $50. Be sure to read the budget-saving tips throughout this vegan weekly meal plan for other cost-saving ideas to keep your grocery bill low. This video is sponsored by a vegan cookbook that I suggest you buy to make delicious meals during your vegetarian diet so you do not get tired of this diet. I put the link to get acquainted with Vegan Cookbook in the description of this video. Hi there! How to meal prep your week of meals. Number 1. Make a batch of the vegan banana bread to have for breakfast on days 1, 5, and 7. Individually wrap 2 slices of bread and freeze for breakfast on days 5 and 7. Any remaining bread can be frozen for up to 3 months. Number 2. Prep 2 servings of the apple cinnamon overnight oats and refrigerate until breakfast on days 2 and 4. Number 3. When making the roasted veggie brown rice Buddha bowl for dinner on day 1, prepare the associated recipes. You'll use the leftovers in different meals throughout the week. Number 4. Make the citrus lime vinaigrette for lunch on days 2 and 4. You'll use it for some morning snacks too. You could also use this dressing on the green salad with edamame and beets in place of the simple oil and vinegar dressing suggested in the recipe, if desired. One budget-saving tip is to put in the prep work. Pre-prepped ingredients are convenient, but they're also more expensive. Save yourself the money and prep your own veggies. Make sauces and dressings from pantry staples and cook a big batch of brown rice to use throughout the week rather than buying pre-cooked packets. Day 1. For breakfast, you should eat 312 calories. 1 slice vegan banana bread and 1 tablespoon peanut butter. You should eat 95 calories for AM. Snack: 1 medium apple. And for lunch, you should eat 325 calories. 4 cups green salad with edamame and beets. 4 p.m. Snack: you should eat 35 calories. 1 clementine. Dinner's calorie is 454. 2.5 cups roasted veggie brown rice Buddha bowl. A tip for meal prep is to save the broccoli stems when making the colorful roasted sheet pan veggies for tonight's dinner to use in place of the kohlrabi in the Thai peanut curry noodles recipe on day 5. Daily cost per serving is $6.36. Daily totals: 1,221 calories, 52 g protein, 140 g carbohydrates, 28 g fiber, 55 g fat, 1,290 milligrams sodium. Day 2. Budget-saving tip for Day IA to reuse ingredients. The meals and snacks in this plan reuse many of the same ingredients to keep your shopping list short and your bill under budget. You can scan the meal plan further to see how you can pare down your shopping list even more to save money. For example, skip the pecans in the apple cinnamon overnight oats and the pumpkin seeds in the citrus lime tofu salad and just use almonds so you don't need to buy so many different varieties of expensive nuts and seeds. Breakfast: 215 calories. 1.5 cups apple cinnamon overnight oats. AM. Snack: 112 calories. 1/4 cup hummus. 1/2 cup cucumber slices. Lunch: 390 calories. 4 cups citrus lime tofu salad. PM. Snack: 30 calories. 1 plum. Dinner: 471 calories. 1 serving vegan coconut chickpea curry. Use 2 cups of the easy brown rice you made on day 1, in place of the pre-cooked brown rice packages noted in this recipe. You can prep 2 servings of the blueberry almond chia pudding and refrigerate for breakfast on days 3 and 6. Daily cost per serving is $8.07. Daily totals: 1,218 calories, 48 g protein, 145 g carbohydrates, 29 g fiber, 56 g fat, 1,412 mg sodium. Day 3. A budget-saving tip for Day 3 is to shop in the bulk section. If your grocery store has a bulk section, head there for your spices, dry goods, nuts and seeds and more. This way, you're only buying exactly what you need, which is much more economical. Breakfast: 229 calories. 1 cup blueberry almond chia pudding. AM. Snack: 141 calories. Half a cup edamame. Half a cup diced cucumber. 1 tablespoon citrus lime vinaigrette. You can combine edamame and cucumber in a bowl and toss with vinaigrette. Lunch: 353 calories. 1/3 cup canned black beans, rinsed. Half a cup easy brown rice. 1 cup colorful roasted sheet pan veggies. 2 tablespoon creamy vegan cashew sauce. You can combine beans, rice and vegetables in a bowl. Top with the cashew sauce. PM. Snack: 30 calories. 1 medium plum. Dinner: 450 calories. 1 serving vegan cauliflower fried rice. 1 cup soy lime roasted tofu. Daily cost per serving is $7.79. Daily totals: 1,203 calories, 54 g protein, 121 g carbohydrates, 32 g fiber, 60 g fat, 1,029 mg sodium. Day 4. A budget-saving tip for Day 4 would be: rely on pantry staples. Check to see what you already have on hand and find ways to use up those ingredients before buying new. If you have a can of chickpeas handy, sub them in for the black beans in tonight's stuffed sweet potato with hummus dressing recipe. Don't have avocado oil in your pantry? Use whatever neutral oil you do have, like canola oil or peanut oil, as an alternative. Breakfast: 215 calories. 1½ cups apple cinnamon overnight oats. AM. Snack: 70 calories. 2 clementines. Lunch: 390 calories. 4 cups citrus lime tofu salad. PM. Snack: 42 calories. Half a cup blueberries. Dinner: 472 calories. 1 serving stuffed sweet potato with hummus dressing. Daily cost per serving is $7.06. Daily totals: 1,189 calories, 54 g protein, 174 g carbohydrates, 40 g fiber, 39 g fat, 1,090 mg sodium. Day 5. A budget-saving tip is to cook once, eat twice. Save a serving of dinner to have for lunch the next day, or batch cook items at the beginning of the week and repurpose them in different ways for quick, easy, and affordable meals. Breakfast: 207 calories. 1 slice vegan banana bread. 1 tablespoon peanut butter. AM. Snack: 107 calories. 1/3 cup edamame. Half a cup diced cucumber. 1 tablespoon citrus lime vinaigrette. You can combine edamame and cucumber in a bowl, toss with vinaigrette. Lunch: 306 calories. 2 cups mixed greens. Half a cup colorful roasted sheet pan veggies. 1 cup soy lime roasted tofu. 2 tablespoon creamy vegan cashew sauce. You can combine greens, roasted vegetables and tofu in a bowl and toss with the dressing. PM. Snack: 28 calories. 1/3 cup blueberries. Dinner: 471 calories. 1 3/4 cups Thai peanut curry noodles. Daily cost per serving is $4.96. Daily totals: 1,224 calories, 54 g protein, 122 g carbohydrates, 24g fiber, 62g fat, 1,176 mg sodium. Day 6. A budget-saving tip is to make a shopping list and stick to it. Write out everything you'll need for the week. Make sure to check your pantry before shopping and stick to the list when you're in the store. A sure way to blow your budget is to enter a grocery store without a shopping list. Breakfast 229 calories. 1 cup blueberry almond chia pudding. AM. Snack 121 calories. 1 slice whole wheat bread. 2 tablespoons. Hummus. Toast bread and top with hummus. Season with a pinch each of salt and pepper. Lunch 376 calories. Generous 3/4 cup Thai peanut curry noodles. Half a cup edamame. 1/2 cup diced cucumber. 1 tablespoon. Citrus lime vinaigrette. You can combine edamame and cucumber in a bowl and toss with vinaigrette. Serve alongside the noodles. Dinner 472 calories. 1 serving stuffed sweet potato with hummus dressing. Daily cost per serving is $7.34. Daily totals: 1,198 calories, 50g protein, 170g carbohydrates, 45g fiber, 39g fat, 1,295 mg sodium. Day 7. A budget-saving tip for Day 7. Don't buy organic everything. You can feel good about buying certain fruits and vegetables conventional if you are trying to stick to a budget, as some are less likely than others to be contaminated with pesticides. Read more about the foods you don't need to buy organic. Breakfast 312 calories. 1 slice vegan banana bread. 1 tablespoon. Peanut butter. AM. Snack 162 calories. 2/3 cup edamame. Half a cup diced cucumber. 1 tablespoon. Citrus lime vinaigrette. You can combine edamame and cucumber in a bowl and toss with vinaigrette. Lunch 325 calories. 4 cups green salad with edamame and beets. Dinner 425 calories. 1 serving vegan blats. 1/4 cup hummus. 2 medium carrots, cut into sticks. Daily cost per serving is $9.62. Daily totals: 1,224 calories, 49g protein, 119g carbohydrates, 35g fiber, 62g fat, 1,852 mg sodium. If you followed along with this meal plan precisely, or simply used it as inspiration for planning your own vegan on a budget meal plan, we hope you found it helpful. Please, if you like this video, like it and share it with your friends so that this video can be seen by more people and you can help people like you who need this video. And also support us. And please ask in the comments your biggest problems about losing weight so that we can produce quality videos about them so that all your problems can be solved. Only this weight loss channel is enough for you, and you can easily lose weight just by following and watching our videos from beginner to professional. If you are interested in this style of videos, please subscribe our page and click the bell next to it to be informed about our new videos.